Hey guys, and welcome to Lyn Afros. Have you ever wondered what your hair type is? That's a question that most of us have ever asked ourselves, and the answer is in this video today. Stay around and make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share this video to learn more about natural hair. So today we're talking about natural hair types, and if you're a black woman, there's a very high possibility that you have black 4C hair. So when we talk about type 4C hair, some people wonder what that is, and today that's what we're going to discuss in depth, and then we see examples of what that actually means. So myself, I have type 4C hair. It breaks, it's brittle, it's weak, it's delicate, it's dry, super curled and coiled and kinky. That's how you know that you have type 4 hair. See, there are 4 types of hair. There's type 1, type 2, type 3, and type 4. Type 1 and type 2 are rather straight, and we don't find that in African hair mostly. So what we have in African hair in most cases is type 3 and type 4. You can see the different textures and curls. Type 4 is the super coiled one. We have very, very small curls that are actually not uniform, and the shrinkage is real. This is our reality, and we don't have to do anything about it. Just understand your hair type, understand that it can grow, it can shrink. You don't have to have it straight. You can still have beautiful 4C hair. You can still slay with your hair. It can grow. If well taken care of, it can really grow. The length is not like genetically determined. There's something you can do about it. Hair care routine, the best hair care routine: protective styles, tuck your ends away, keep your hair protected for rainy days. Whichever works for you, do it, and make sure that your hair feels the love it needs. 4C hair is delicate, but you can still slay with it. You can still find ways that work with yours. You can still find inspiration on the best ways to manage your hair and keep it slaying all through. And I just hope to inspire you through this channel on the best ways to slay with your hair, whether it be short or long, for as long as it's natural. Stay tuned, subscribe, share with friends, tell a friend to tell a friend, and keep it at Lyn Afros for all things hair. All things hair, all things hair. Bye.